Nothing in the short term, at least. We do have Ophelia out there. That's a hurricane, our 10th in a row. So each named storm since Franklin has made it to a hurricane status. First time since the 1800s. See it out there? Pretty well organized now, but it is way, way far away from the United States. In fact, if we put the track on it in just a minute, first we got to look at those hurricane names. We're at Ophelia now, Category 1 storm. We'll put the track on it here from the Hurricane Center as of the 5 o'clock advisory. Notice where it's heading, into an area that normally does not see tropical systems. They usually see the remnants of storms after they make it into the North Atlantic. At this point, though, parts of Ireland, northern Scotland could be dealing with an extratropical storm with hurricane force winds by the time we get towards Monday and into Tuesday of next week. So could be some issues there in that part of the world by early next week. Here, though, we're just dealing with some slightly cooler weather, but still very unsettled. Areas of fog, light rain in the forecast, and also a wind kicking up out of the northeast today that could be quite breezy at times. Gradual clearing, not working in here until Saturday, and it is going to be slow to do so. The better half of the weekend definitely going to be on Sunday, and then by the early part of next week, we start to finally feel like autumn. Temperatures will drop behind a strong cold front down into the 60s for our daytime highs by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon. So that'll probably help those leaves to finally start changing over. Until then, though, we have one more day into the mid-80s, and that comes on Sunday, the pick of the weekend. 73 degrees outside right now with the dew point a degree behind. Air is almost at saturation, so some more widespread fog out there. Not particularly dense everywhere, but certainly those visibilities are compromised. 2.5 miles in Newport News down to Ahoskie, 3 miles now in Melfa, and 4 miles in Chesapeake over to Suffolk. Also on top of that, a few showers out there, a little bit on the heavier side into Surrey, heading on over towards Rushmere, about to cross the James River and heading towards the Menchville area along the peninsula. And up towards Gloucester, we had a heavier shower earlier towards Melfa. Towards Matthews, eventually heading towards Melfa after it traverses the Chesapeake Bay in the next hour or so. It'll likely weaken a little bit more as it does so as well. Our winds today coming in out of the north and east post-cold front that sparked the showers and storms yesterday. Really felt like a late July, early August setup with those storms rolling on through in the early evening hours. A lot of that's now suppressed to our south, but we'll see more in the way of showers and fog and drizzle throughout the day today. But notice the numbers in the mid-70s, not really fluctuating too much today with that northeast wind. That continues tonight and through the day on Friday. Not a big change at all. In fact, we're kind of going to be stagnant in that weather pattern through Friday evening and then slow to clear things out into the day on Saturday. 75 today, cloudy and breezy, periods of rain and even some drizzle out there as well. Tonight down to 66, a few showers remaining with areas of drizzle and more fog. And by Saturday, slow clearing, 81. 85 on Sunday, a nice, dry, sunny day, I think. And then by early next week, we drop temperatures down in the 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday.